How to use power-ups in the Bingo Blitz game. If you have been playing in the Bingo Blitz and want to use the power-ups and don't know how to do it, don't worry, in today's video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bingo Blitz application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now to use the power-ups, simply tap onto power-up just right here, which is this icon. Tap on it. Then here you can find the power-ups, which is the Bingo Boost. Now to use it, simply buy it, and you can also get free pack every 2 hours. Now tap on to free to get it and tap on to continue. And now you have got the power-ups. Now play the game. By playing the game, the power-up will automatically be used on that game. And that's it. This is how you can use the power-ups in the Bingo Blitz game. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.